In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Bitgert on Gate.io step by step. So the first step is to go to Gate.io and you're gonna need to log in first and then go to wallet, click here, click spot account and make sure that your USDT is in your spot account. And then once you have your USDT in your spot account, go to trade here and on the search bar here, type down Brise and click Brise USDT. And you can choose any of these options. You can choose limit, market, stop limit, or time condition, but we're going to use market. And now you can type the amount of USDT you want to buy Brise token. For example, I want to buy Brise token using the maximum amount of USDT I have. So I will just click 100% here and click buy Brise. Click confirm order and then type the fund password and click submit. And now go to your wallet and as you can see, I have received this amount of Brise token in my spot account. And if you have any questions about how to buy Bitgert on Gate.io, leave a comment below.